What if the technology of tomorrow is already here, reshaping how businesses operate and transforming entire industries? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the forefront of this revolution, driving innovation, enhancing efficiency, and unlocking new possibilities. How is AI revolutionizing sectors like healthcare, finance, and retail? Join us as we explore how AI is shaping the future of industries and discover the incredible potential that lies ahead in this exciting era of technological transformation. Ready for a deep dive into the future? Let's get started.
AI in education.
AI is reshaping education by providing personalized learning experiences for students. Intelligent tutoring systems use AI to assess a student's strengths and weaknesses, offering tailored lessons and feedback. These systems can adapt to individual learning styles, ensuring that each student receives the support they need to succeed. In addition to personalized learning, AI is being used to automate administrative tasks in schools and universities, such as grading assignments and managing student data. This allows educators to focus more on teaching and less on administrative duties. The future of AI in education also includes virtual classrooms and immersive learning experiences. AI-powered virtual reality and augmented reality tools are creating interactive environments where students can explore historical events, scientific concepts, and more in a hands-on way. AI is making education more accessible, engaging, and effective.
AI in agriculture.
AI is playing a crucial role in transforming agriculture by improving crop management, increasing yields, and reducing environmental impact. AI-powered drones and sensors can monitor crop health in real time, identifying signs of disease, pest infestations, or nutrient deficiencies. This allows farmers to take action before problems escalate, improving crop productivity. In addition, AI is being used to optimize irrigation and fertilization processes, ensuring that crops receive the right amount of water and nutrients. This not only maximizes yield but also reduces waste and conserves resources. AI-powered robots are also being deployed for tasks like planting, harvesting, and sorting crops, increasing efficiency on farms. With the world's population continuing to grow, AI is helping agriculture meet the rising demand for food while minimizing environmental impact. From precision farming to AI-driven supply chain management, the future of agriculture is becoming smarter and more sustainable.
AI in entertainment.
AI is revolutionizing the entertainment industry by enhancing creativity and transforming how content is produced and consumed. In filmmaking, AI is being used to automate video editing, generate realistic special effects, and even write scripts. AI-powered algorithms can analyze viewer preferences and recommend personalized content, improving user engagement on streaming platforms like Netflix and YouTube. Music production is also being transformed by AI. AI tools can compose original music, analyze trends, and even predict hit songs. Artists are collaborating with AI to create new sounds and push the boundaries of creativity. In gaming, AI is making virtual worlds more immersive by creating smarter, more responsive, non-playable characters that adapt to player behavior. As AI continues to evolve, it will play an even bigger role in shaping the future of entertainment, offering limitless possibilities for creativity and innovation. AI in supply chain management. AI is optimizing supply chain management by improving forecasting, reducing costs, and enhancing decision-making. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data to predict demand, ensuring that companies have the right products at the right time. This reduces waste, improves inventory management, and minimizes supply chain disruptions. AI is also being used to optimize logistics, determining the most efficient routes for deliveries and reducing fuel consumption. In warehouses, AI-powered robots are speeding up order fulfillment by automating picking, packing, and sorting processes. By integrating AI into supply chain management, businesses can improve their operational efficiency, reduce costs, and respond more quickly to changing market conditions. AI is making supply chains more agile, resilient, and efficient. AI in real estate. AI is revolutionizing the real estate industry by transforming property management and enhancing the buying and selling process. AI-powered platforms can analyze market trends, predict property values, and identify the best times to buy or sell. This enables real estate agents and investors to make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. In property management, AI-powered systems can monitor building maintenance needs, automate rent collection, and improve tenant satisfaction. Virtual tours powered by AI are also transforming how properties are showcased, offering potential buyers an immersive experience without having to visit in person. From automating routine tasks to enhancing decision-making, AI is transforming the real estate industry, making it more efficient and customer-centric. AI in retail. The retail industry is embracing AI to create more personalized and efficient shopping experiences. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are revolutionizing customer service by offering instant, tailored responses to queries, helping customers find products faster, and even assisting with purchasing decisions. These tools are not only enhancing customer satisfaction, but also reducing the need for human intervention in routine tasks. AI is also transforming inventory management. Machine learning algorithms can predict consumer demand based on historical data and market trends, ensuring that stores are always stocked with the right products. This minimizes waste and maximizes sales. Retailers are using AI for dynamic pricing, adjusting prices in real time based on demand, competition, and other factors, ensuring competitive pricing strategies. The future of retail lies in AI-driven innovations, from cashierless stores like Amazon Go to AI-enhanced marketing strategies that offer personalized product recommendations. With AI, retailers are not only improving operational efficiency but also building deeper relationships with their customers by providing more engaging and seamless shopping experiences.
AI in manufacturing.
AI is driving the future of manufacturing by powering smart factories and improving production efficiency. Through predictive maintenance, AI systems can monitor machinery in real time, identifying potential issues before they lead to costly breakdowns. This not only reduces downtime but also extends the lifespan of equipment, saving companies millions in maintenance costs. Robotics, powered by AI, are also playing a key role in automating repetitive tasks in the production line, enhancing precision and speed. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are working alongside humans performing tasks like assembly, welding, and packaging. These AI-driven robots can adapt to new tasks and environments, making them highly versatile and efficient in manufacturing processes. With AI, manufacturers are also improving supply chain management. AI can predict demand fluctuations, optimize inventory, and improve logistics, ensuring that production meets market needs without overproducing or underproducing. This seamless integration of AI into the manufacturing process is paving the way for the factories of the future.
AI in transportation.
Autonomous vehicles, or AVs, are one of the most exciting developments in AI, set to revolutionize transportation. AI enables self-driving cars to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate complex environments without human intervention. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are leading the charge in developing AV technology, with AI-powered systems that analyze data from sensors, cameras, and radar to navigate roads safely. Beyond self-driving cars, AI is also transforming public transportation systems. AI-powered traffic management systems can predict and mitigate traffic congestion, optimizing routes and reducing travel times. Autonomous buses and trains are being tested in various cities, offering a glimpse of the future of mass transit. The potential of AI in transportation extends beyond land vehicles. In aviation, AI is being used to optimize flight paths and improve safety. Meanwhile, autonomous drones are being deployed for deliveries, inspections, and even search and rescue missions. AI is set to revolutionize how we move goods and people across the globe.
AI in marketing.
AI is transforming marketing by enabling businesses to target customers with unprecedented precision. AI-powered algorithms analyze consumer data to identify patterns, preferences, and behaviors, allowing marketers to create personalized campaigns that resonate with individual customers. From personalized email campaigns to targeted advertisements, AI is making marketing more effective and efficient. Chatbots and virtual assistants are also enhancing customer engagement by offering personalized responses to queries and guiding customers through their purchasing journey. AI tools can optimize pricing strategies, ensuring that businesses remain competitive while maximizing profits. With AI, marketers can gain deeper insights into consumer behavior and create campaigns that deliver the right message to the right audience at the right time. This level of personalization is transforming how businesses connect with their customers. AI in energy. AI is playing a vital role in optimizing energy management, improving efficiency, and reducing environmental impact. AI-powered systems can predict energy demand, ensuring that power plants generate just the right amount of electricity. This not only reduces waste, but also minimizes the carbon footprint of energy production. In renewable energy, AI is being used to optimize the operation of wind turbines and solar panels, predicting when and where energy will be needed most. AI-driven energy grids can balance supply and demand, ensuring that energy is distributed efficiently and sustainably. As the world shifts toward cleaner energy sources, AI is helping to make energy systems smarter, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. AI in human resources. AI is transforming human resources by streamlining recruitment processes and enhancing employee management. AI-powered tools can analyze resumes, identify top candidates, and even conduct preliminary interviews, saving HR teams valuable time and resources. These systems can assess candidates based on specific skills and qualifications, ensuring that companies hire the best talent for the job. Beyond recruitment, AI is being used to analyze employee performance, identify potential areas for development, and suggest training programs. AI-driven platforms can also enhance employee engagement by offering personalized feedback and career development recommendations. As AI continues to evolve, it is reshaping the future of work by making HR processes more efficient and improving the employee experience. AI in legal services. AI is reshaping the legal industry by streamlining legal processes and improving access to justice. AI-powered tools can analyze legal documents, contracts, and case law, helping lawyers and legal teams work more efficiently. These systems can quickly identify relevant information, saving time on legal research and document review. AI is also being used to automate routine tasks like contract drafting and case management. In some cases, AI-powered chatbots are even helping clients navigate legal issues by providing preliminary legal advice and directing them to the right resources. As AI continues to advance, it is transforming the legal profession by making legal services more accessible, affordable, and efficient. As we've seen, AI is revolutionizing industries across the board, from healthcare to real estate, transportation to education. The potential for innovation is limitless, and AI continues to drive efficiency, creativity, and progress in ways we never thought possible. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.